Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, man or woman?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Girl style are wickedest to Auntie Jojo. Anytime you come in, them have to lift up. And them know some know them blood clot business.
Well, me only attack on the parts of them for don't still because yes, so she said she go make something happen to Dewey. That Dewey no friend, but not real life. Can't so you go send somebody go do with something and then you go back down the yard, you know. But I just love it, and nobody go back down there.
I'm more talk them at no must want suck off. I would right here now. You know see the last video I come out with Melo. Melo suck the wood like she hungry. You know they never eat yet. Like in Africa you never eat it. Auntie Jojo son so she suck the wood. She just come batty up your blood clot.
Well, yeah, man. They believe do we alone now. You get me? I just that.
No, don't pick up those sorry for do it. Cause do it go rise it free. It must catch blood clot.
He rise up with free.
Yeah. Cause indeed I look at eye too. Send get blood clot fuck. No. Make them about him nasty dirty blood clot. Stick to the evil, you know. Queen maybe go on with herself and stick to your mother man wise. Stick to your mother man wise. Make sure you go on with anything what she want to do. And see then now, God is good. Queen by her house and I do a lot of things. And him would like for come back and can't come back and shame face and kill him.
Boy, Tuffy, he's up this evening, you know.
Yeah, shame face and kill him. Shame face and kill him, boy. Hey, Momo&Melo, no. I want tuna rubbish sheep. I want tuna ginger fly. Scrums of the earth. Man shoes lace. Man boot bottom. Them girls is a menace to society, you know. Them girls think them man a yard no want them and man abroad no want them. Them done for. And then the old. Them done for. She no come from big national TV. I'm dating Dewey right now. And cause she there look a cloud, but it's fuck over. So you guess what Dewey do now? Dewey just make her Dewey just make her. No, guess what? Dewey just make her friend fuck her, but she like that dick. The man say you old big like blood clot bag man funeral.
That's Christ.
Move your blood clot and go. But here when she stop the wood, she breathe through her ears. How the hell if you breathe through your blood clot ears? Girl, what kind of throat you have? Is that drum in there?
She's a maroon.
Hey girl, Melo, come back on this man and press out your blood clot.
God almighty. But I start no more. Melo not in it. Melo says she not in it.
Melo in it. Cause anything say no, tell her for do she for do it. Cause no, not even rate her. One day no say, Melo, me now add up on my life and me and her talk about it. I say, Melo, oh yeah, Momo for be friend and she not add the ear and them not rate people, you know, them not rate people.
Okay.
But suck your mother. Me and none of you have a nigga man a friend. None of you. I rub out to know out one by one because we can't team.
No.
Melo idiot. Melo and Momo shoes lace. And she tell her say go fuck, go suck, go lick, go try, she go do it. Think them can ramp with me. You know, so enough of them all bring things come for me, you know, Jojo. And them can't even face me, because them afraid of me. Because them hear about me, so I'm an idiot girl.
Okay.
I want to know. Suck your blood clot, mother. Do it. If Queenie take back, do it. I look for Queenie and lick out Queenie blood clot. She at peace now. The woman a go on with herself. The woman a make her ends them meet and her family them come in her new house and she kill her parrot fish and her look after for her kids them and her grandkids. Do we see in a sense? In a blood clot sense, woman give opportunity make you have England, Canada, and blood clot US. And you come, and you do the woman so. You have to do for me gone, Queen at peace. For me gone, the woman of peace. No weapon form against Queen shall prosper. Go down do it with Melo and them. Cause you usually in night and I talk about your wife and them something there. Cause Melo did I do it for a clout, you know, but she get fucked. As she said she fuck do it. As she said she ain't do it dating. So what after sudden now? Move your blood clot and scrupulous junk Momo. Momo your face wrap up like toilet paper. You know when you shit I have full of paper for wipe your body. I say your face look Momo. Melo, you come like the big blood clot jumbo roach them out of blood clot coronation market where the stinking fish them there. And them big and them a swell and the big flyer take them, that a Melo. Move on a blood clot and go. Me not give a queen if you know, I did say queen at the happen, but queen didn't know what she fight for. Cause she did see potential in a doing. But him fuck up. So queen and I use it against the queen by her house, there you fuck her yo. You never know the woman have in store. You get bad rather man than your blood clot do it. I know you're sorry. Me know anyway you're there, you might be sorry. Shame face a kill your dirty blood clot do it. Shame face a kill you. Me know
I tell Tuffy for rub down, I tell you man for rub so. I tell Tuffy for rub out the woman. But stop. Stop it.
I try for flop queen and it backfire for them dirty blood clot. You know see? You know you what she name? The queen. Or if this the blood clot queen. You mad? One queen in the deck. Rather in your blood clot. Fuck you. Momo, you can't blood clot come for me. Not even you and Melo. Cause none of them in my blood clot category. Only thing I can say, beggy Tuffy. But when me beg, my kids them clean. Them go to school, them eat a nice plate of dinner. You ever hear a pussy? You ever hear Tuffy eating of chicken back yet? And a blood clot mackerel. I be a big food Tuffy cook. Cause the people them send me their money so me have to eat good food. For when you don't come and you don't want to war with me, me lick up bad man out on a blood clot. Wait, I move your blood clot. Do you as a unscrupulous drunkard? You come like a baggage. You come like a big sore foot where can't get better. Or if you use Momo and go and flap your wife. Or if you use no, I want to flap your wife. No, in a no category. No pass queen in no time. Queen I will support and do her thing. But Momo you pass over the blood clot limit. Man shit by you, man piss by you, man do all kind of things to you. I do it, you kiss blood clot, Mom. No,
tell her like and do it, so do it never kiss her. They go,
hey, go look back Go look back here. Go look back when them kiss her. You know how much dick that him kiss? You know how much dick that fucking nigga kiss? What the fuck are you talking about? You know how much dick that nigga kiss?
Auntie never see.
Go look back when them kiss her.
Auntie never see.
I want to I want to come forward. Melo know so when I come up I throw vino. You know say she hear my voice, she click off. Cause she know say time blood clot come. Time come. Juju do it kiss Momo. Alright, but don't talk.
Lord Jesus.
I want to hear Jojo. No style to the blood clot queen. No style to the queen. Queen maybe have her dirty ways and cry. Queen cry for your man, you know. Sometimes say blood clot. But Queen just stay far from him. Queen cry for your cock, you know. Not even the cat them wake me up a morning time. Queen in a cry so. Queen cry more than the cat them a crow.
Oh, class. What's I know after level? Oh, class. Why?
Everywhere them go, auntie, them a look clout and a flop themselves at the same time.
Like
Them a look clout and them a flop themselves. Momo played out. Momo played right out. Me could have a dog and him fuck she. Not even a puss or a cat or a rat.
Hi, boy.
Alright, you say, oh, Momo face not.